Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this purse that I just bought. I'm really excited to show it because honestly I feel like the bag is beautiful. You guys probably don't know this, but one thing about me, I love me some nice purses. This bag, I saw it on the Instagram ad. Like I swear my Instagram, she know me. Like my explore page, my ads, like everything be very me. So that's a blessing and a curse, but in this case it's definitely a blessing because this bag that I got is so beautiful. Like I saw it I saw the ad maybe a week or two ago and I was like, okay, but then I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get it. But then I saw it again. I think first I saw it on Instagram, then I think the second time I saw it maybe like a week or two later, I saw it on TikTok. So I'm like, hold on, like this is a sign. So I decided to get the bag, and it's a Coach bag, and the reason why I decided to get it was because I just honestly fell in love with it. But honestly, y'all, I've been knew Coach was trying to make a comeback. You know, they had Megan Thee Stallion and other like popping people as their new ambassadors, and like Megan, her campaign was very cute. I can't think of the other person who just did a Coach campaign also, but I knew they were trying to make a comeback. But with these bags, the comeback is here because this junk is like beautiful. So I ordered it because like I said, I saw it online. So yeah, so I was waiting all day to open this just because, you know, I knew I wanted to record an unboxing of the bag. This is what it's looking like. So this is how they wrapped it, okay? And then, you know, little Coach card. Okay. Then it came with this. So I guess this is the receipt. Yeah, that's the receipt. So this is it in the dust bag. So let's open it. Okay? So this is how it came. It's so cute. So when I first saw it, I think I saw it so it comes with a strap and all of that. So I think it comes with two straps. I think it comes with like a little shoulder strap and then a crossbody strap. But yes, so I decided to get this color because I think when I first saw the Instagram ad, it showed like the different colors, and I'm like, I like this style bag, but I didn't really like the colors like that because the colors that I seen was red, no, not red, pink, like a tan nudish color, black and white. And if I had to choose from those colors, it would probably be the tan one, but I really didn't like those. Like I wish they had it in maybe like, I was thinking like y'all should have been like a blue, but then on TikTok I saw somebody had it in orange, and I like the orange also. When I was looking, when I revisited the site, I saw this color and I was like, oh, this color is what really sold me, because like I said, I was contemplating on the bag, but that color sold me. And y'all, was so crazy, this is actually the mini, the smaller version of it. And what's crazy about that is I usually don't like minis. Like I'm gonna be real with you, like I think minis, like in some cases yes, but in other cases I think minis can look kind of childish. So I'm taking all of the plastic off. I think sometimes that it can be a little childish, but I thought with this bag, I felt like the original size is just a little too, like if it was just a tad bit smaller, that would be the perfect size for me, because I know some people might think that's a like great size, but I know for myself it just looked a little too big for me. So, and I like this because this is small. It's so cute. It's small, but it's not like hella small, because this is a pro tip for me, it's too small if I can't fit my oh my goodness, I can't talk. It's too small if I can't fit my phone in it, period. But no, there are of course exceptions to that, but most of the time if I can't fit my phone in the bag, I really won't want to get it. So yeah, so this is it. the bag. Yes. And it's just like such a cute spring summer vibe. Like, it's just so cute. So let me take out some of this stuff. Ain't she so cute? So yes, y'all, so like this how it looks on the inside. So I took all of this stuff out, and like I said, it's just enough stuff for me. Like, I can fit my phone. Like, it's the perfect size for my phone. Like, literally perfect. So I'm excited to rock this bag. Like, she's so cute, ain't she? Like, this is cute. I don't really want to stand up, but yes, so this, let's just so yes, and then I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks with the longer strap. And I love that option. Like, me, don't get me wrong, I love purses and all of that, but sometimes I can be a little lazy, so I love having the option of having a strap if I want it, because a lot of the time I will want it more often than not. So y'all, this is like fresh out the pack. So I'm about to strap this on. Oh my goodness, it's this damn, it's like a fly in here. I'm about to get irritated. Okay, so this is the strap, and it's adjustable. It has about 6 holes, so it'll adjust pretty well. So ain't this so cute? So I like it both ways, with the longer strap and with the handheld strap. I fell in love with it, and this color just is everything. So yeah, so this is the bag, and I'm glad that I got the mini, because I felt like I said, I thought it would have been a little too big, but it's just so cute. And yeah, y'all, I feel like Coach definitely understood the assignment. They saw that people were kind of bringing back these style of bags. They definitely did their research, and it's just so cute. Like, that's all I could say. It's like really like just cute as so basically, this is the unboxing, and I would definitely recommend this bag. I'll let you guys know how I like it as I wear it, but first impression, I love it. And this is very something different for me, because I usually gear towards more everyday neutral colors, but I felt like in this style, like this style of bag, no, everyday neutral color did not work with this, except for the tan, but your basic black and white, I really didn't care for it. So yeah, if y'all definitely should check it out if y'all want to pop a color in y'all collection. So that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because I have more videos on the way. And just thank you so much for watching if you made it to this point in the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.